Hi everyone, this is Miss Chrisman and this is your word study video for Tuesday, June 2nd. Today I'm going to teach you another fun thing that you can do over the summer so that you can keep working on word study and have summer fun at the same time. I think you're going to like this. For your video today, you're going to need your parents' permission for this, and you might not be able to do it right now while you're watching me. You're probably going to want to watch the video and then go outside and do this today, later today, or on another day. But today we're going to go outside and we are going to learn how to do some writing outside and go for a rhyming walk. To get ready to do this, you're going to need something to write with, something to write on. Then I'm also going to bring just like a hardcover book so that I can put my paper on top of the book and it'll be easy for me to write without the paper like bending around a lot. If you have a notebook, then you're probably fine without something underneath it, but I don't have a notebook. I'll see you outside. Okay, so now I'm outside and I got set up with my book and my paper on my lap. And I have my markers right here. I'm just on the front steps of my house. You might have like a backyard that is a good place for you to do this writing, or maybe there's a park nearby to your house, or a balcony that you can sit outside on. So whatever is best and safest for you and that your parents say is okay, that's where you can do this. And then what we're going to do today is we're going to do some writing using our senses. This means you have to think back to science when you learned about your senses. Think, think, think. What are your senses? There's see, hear, smell, taste, and do you remember the last one? Touch. Let me show you how I set up my paper. So I put see, hear, smell, taste, and touch. And then I'm going to use my senses to write down some of the things that I can see, hear, smell. I don't know if I'm really going to taste anything. That'd be a little bit weird. But maybe if you brought a snack outside, you can write about that. And then what I can touch. So I'm looking around and some of the things I see. What do you think I see? I see the bright sun and I see trees and I see grass. Now I'm listening. Some of the things I hear are birds chirping. I love that sound. Can you hear that? Birds chirping. And I don't really smell anything in particular, but to me it just smells like summertime. It kind of smells like warm dirt and grass. So I'm just going to say it smells like summertime. And something that I can feel is just the warm sun on my face. It feels so good. I love that feeling. Warm sun. So I did that kind of quickly just to show you that this is something that you can do, but you can spend a lot more time writing about all the things that you see, hear, smell, taste, and touch. Another thing that you can do while you're outside is that you can go for a rhyming walk. And this is an especially good one to do with your family because you can make it into a really fun game. So while you're walking, you can stop next to something and you can think of all the words that you can that rhyme with it. So right here, I'm next to a tree. So now let's think of all the words that we can that rhyme with tree. Tree, me, bee, see, he, lee, z. Do you have any other good ones? Let's keep walking. Now I see a car. Let's think of all the words that we can that rhyme with car. Car, bar, far, par, lar, czar. You have any other good ones? Let's keep walking. Now I see a house. Let's think of all the words that we can that rhyme with house. House, mouse, louse, chouse, zouse, rouse. Do you have any other good ones? Let's keep walking. And so you can do that all over your neighborhood. You can do it with your little siblings or with your big siblings. And then if you want to make it into a really good challenge, you can go back to where you were writing and you can write down all of the rhymes that you found on your walk. Now I'm back inside because there's one more really important thing that I need to do. Remember yesterday we started our summer to-do list and we wrote make a word search. Now we need to write a little checkbox again, and I'm going to write senses writing outside, and I'm going to write rhyming walk. That way, if you're not going to do these today, you can still have this checklist so that if you ever have one of those days over the summer where you're thinking, oh, I'm bored, I need something to do, you can get your summer to-do list and you can find something to do. One last thing, if you have any fun ideas about ways to practice writing and word study outside, you can send me an email and tell me your idea at echrisman@ebrook.org so that I can share it with everybody and they can hear about your great idea. So think about ways that you can practice writing outside or blending or rhyming outside and let me know. I'll see you tomorrow.